Minister, members of the media, thank you very much for being here today. I'm delighted to sign this amendment to provide some further funds to Fiji. As I said when we signed the original agreement on the 14th of May, I'd like to commend the response of the Government of Fiji to the coronavirus outbreak. The response has been decisive, quick, tough decisions were made, and they were made early, and as a consequence of that, Fiji has emerged COVID-free now, and I'm sure that the economic recovery will also be quick, and I'm delighted that Australia in a very small way has been able to help Fiji weather this dreadful situation. So thank you again for having me. AG, it's delightful to see you.
Your Excellency, Australian Happiness of Fiji, Minister, the Women, Poverty Alleviation, Children. Thank you very much. We again are very delighted to be here in such a short span of time. This is essentially a top-up that's been given by the Australian Government, about 6.6 million Australian dollars. And we'll be utilising these funds for the Ministry of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation, essentially to support our continuation of the social welfare program in the next financial year. And it also, approximately $1.4 million will go towards the reforms within the Ministry of Poverty Alleviation, essentially a IT upgrade, including some reforms that will ensure better service delivery from the Ministry itself. And we'd like to thank the Australian Government for this. Again, we'd like to thank them because it's again an indication of their confidence in how we're managing our funds in respect of the budget support that they're providing for us. So I'd like to thank them once again. John Cook in particular, who's been a great advocate for Fiji, here in Fiji, in Canberra, and also the Australian Government and Australian people for the support. Thank you.
Thank you, AG Excellency. I'd like to echo the sentiments of the Honourable Minister of Economy to show gratitude to what's been signed here today and what it means to the wonderful sectors that the Ministry of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation deal with on a daily basis. COVID, in a lot of ways, shows the inequalities that exist in society. And the money that's on the table now for the ministry will go some way towards bridging the gap in the inequalities that exist, particularly from the vulnerable sectors of the economy. And to that end, I'm also very grateful that we have a part of this money goes towards IT reforms for the ministry. This will enhance efficiency in service delivery within the ministry. And Your Excellency, thank you for the support shown towards the ministry in this regards, and also thank you to the team that's worked behind the scenes to make this happen.